Confidence. Work on boosting your self-confidence. Believe in your abilities and set clear goals for yourself. Physical fitness. Maintain a healthy lifestyle by engaging in regular exercise and maintaining a balanced diet. Physical fitness can enhance your overall well-being. Self-discipline. Develop self-discipline to stay committed to your goals and avoid distractions. This can be achieved through setting routines and setting boundaries. Financial literacy. Educate yourself about personal finance and investments. Understand how money works and how to make it work for you. Continuous learning. Invest in your education and acquire new skills regularly. Lifelong learning can help you stay competitive in various areas of life. Networking. Build a strong network of contacts and connections. Networking can open up opportunities and provide support in your personal and professional life. Effective communication. Improve your communication skills, including public speaking and negotiation. Being an effective communicator can help you express your ideas and needs more clearly. Goal setting. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals for yourself. This provides a roadmap for success. Resilience. Develop emotional resilience to handle setbacks and criticism. Learn to bounce back from failures and maintain a positive attitude. Mindset. Cultivate a growth mindset, which encourages a belief in your ability to learn and adapt. Avoid negative thinking and focus on opportunities for improvement. It's important to remember that while you can draw inspiration from various sources, including public figures like Andrew Tate, it's crucial to form your own values, beliefs, and opinions based on critical thinking and a consideration of diverse perspectives. Additionally, always strive to be respectful, ethical, and considerate in your interactions with others.